Hello, my dear friends. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the visa for startuppers, for entrepreneurs, and those of you who want to bring some type of business idea in the US. This is called O1A visa, and at the end of this video, you will be able to learn how to get a free evaluation of your O1A case. Let's go. All right, guys, we've been talking about O1A visa for a while, and I've been giving you a lot of content explaining what that visa is, how it works, and everything else connected to it. However, now it's time to explain to you further that O1 visa is an excellent visa for those of you who wanna bring a startup business to the States, and especially if it's an IT startup or some kind of innovation. I will explain how you can get your own company, your own startup to sponsor you as an employee. And this is a great legal scheme to come to the States, start working, and ultimately get a green card. So let's go. O1A visa is the best visa for IT startups and innovation or technology startups in Silicon Valley, for Florida, in Texas, Austin, a new hub for technology. If you have the idea, and maybe if you have some finance for this idea, O1A is a great visa to start your adventure in the US. How are we going to prove that you will satisfy at least 3 criteria out of the 8 for O1 visa through your own startup? Well, first of all, if you have the capital coming from other investors, someone who is interested in your startup, then we can use it to satisfy the first criterion, award or prize. So investment of $100,000 plus will be enough to make an argument that you got a prize or an award for your excellence, for your achievement. This is an alternative way to satisfy the first criterion, award or prize, where you actually have to go and compete. This is the classic way of this criterion. An investment in your startup in the States is the alternative way. So use it if you have it. Number 2, I want to see press coverage about your startup, your idea, your project, your innovation, your technology, or you. Oftentimes, when you start this new idea, you do have the press coverage. A lot of times you get a press coverage in a good startup or IT journals, magazines, or websites in the US. If you bring me maybe 3 articles about you or your startup or your idea, we will satisfy the second criteria. Number 3, commercial success. Either you were making good money in your prior startups, and it's great if you have some success records of your prior startups, or we can claim that you will be getting significantly more in your startup than other people similarly situated. In other words, if your startup, your own company, offers you the pay that's 20 or 30% at least more than a regular salary in a similar position, in a similar field, in the same geographic location, we can claim that criterion from the future. You guys didn't know that? Now you do. This is already 3 criteria, guys, and that is enough to file your petition. However, we don't stop here. We go to the critical or leading role in a company or organization with a high reputation, with distinguished reputation. So, what could it be? It could be your prior startups, it could be the prior company where you worked, or some other projects where you participated and brought some good to it. I don't remember the last time where we did not claim a critical or essential or leading role in the O1 visa or EB1A in that sense. Almost all of you have that as well, and that would be 4 criteria, and we need only 3. If you have your scientific publications or your expert opinions in some magazines, websites, journals, or scientific medium, then we can claim the 5th criterion, and make your case very strong. Of course, if you judge the work of others, if you participated in competition and allocated the points and chose the winners, or if you're a member of a professional association that accept only people for high achievements, for excellence, or also maybe you did some contribution in the field, probably through your innovation or your technology that you're bringing to the US, we can claim up to 8 criteria out of the 8. An average is 5, sometimes it's 6, the more the better, but if you satisfied the 5 that I mentioned in the beginning, that would be the strong case for your O1 visa. And of course, your employer is your own startup, your own LLC, or your own corp in the US who is going to be claiming you as your own employee. That way, we satisfy all criteria for O1 visa, for the best startup visa ever created. And from the day you started working on your petition till the day you enter the US with your O1 visa for 3 years, 8 months will pass, all right? Up to 8 months. Of course, a lot will depend on you, how fast you provide the paperwork that I need, but on average, it's 6 months getting your petition finished and 2 months to get your O1 visa stamped in your passport. If you're the one with the idea, or maybe already with a company here in the US, and you heard something, oh my God, I can satisfy probably 3, maybe more, but you want to learn more and get a free analysis of your case, you should get the free evaluation of your case. The way to do it is very simple. Go down below this video and find the link that's gonna say a free evaluation of your case for talent visa. Fill out the form, and within 48 hours, I will get back to you and tell you if you have a good case or you do not. And if you do, I will ask you to come to the complex immigration planning, the innovative and the only service in the immigration industry in the world to get you the initial written strategy after you pass through that service. Make sure you fill out the form so I could take a look at your achievements, at your proposed startup, and this would be your first step to come to the US and first step to start working with my corporation. And in my corporation, the only thing we want for you is the result. Make sure you smash the like button if you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because it's the best YouTube channel in the world if you want to get the talent visa, the business visa, or investment visa to the US. Also, subscribe to my Instagram, to my Facebook, to my LinkedIn, Twitter, and all other social media to get the best content across all those platforms. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.